Well, it's public property here. Obviously, this is premise open to the public.
No shit.
But if you're trying to get in the building or beyond
Since
the
when
sign,
did I try getting in the fucking building?
or beyond the sign,
Sir?
I'm just telling you.
Okay, see, he's got the thin blue line flag on as well. I just had some questions about how many officers you have.
Is there anything I can help you with?
No, I didn't ask for any help.
Any emergencies or anything?
No, sir.
Okay, there's a no trespass. You have to go to the front of the building, okay?
There's a no trespass where?
Yep. So if you turn around, you'll see right at that blue pickup, there's one.
On this fence?
Another one?
Yeah, on that
building.
fence. No trespassing beyond the fence, right?
In that building right there.
So this
So no
isn't
trespassing
open to the
back
public?
here. No, it is not. If you have emergency, we'd love to help you. But if
Well,
not, it's
if
no
it's not
trespassing.
fenced in and there's no trespassing
Well,
signs,
if you just
then...
keep walking up there, then we'll be good to go, okay?
Well, I've already looked at the signs.
What did the sign say?
Yeah, it said no trespassing behind these fucking gates.
No.
Has nothing to do with behind
How about
here.
the one on the building right there?
Yeah, the one on the building means for inside the building.
No, that means for
Yes,
back
it
here, for
does.
our
No, it
parking lot.
doesn't.
Okay. Is there a reason why you're back here? Is there something I can help you with?
I didn't ask you for any help.
Okay, so why are you behind our no trespass?
I'm doing a news story.
Gotcha. What's the news story about?
I can't tell you.
Okay. Well, I'd really appreciate it if you could just go up there.
Yeah,
for me,
well,
okay?
I'd appreciate it if you just go back to your work.
Well, this is my work. We're trying to.
Yeah, well,
we
you're
have people
dismissed.
Back here that we need to
There's no,
move around,
there's
okay?
no signs over here saying anything about trespassing. Walking back here, there's signs on the building saying no trespassing. There's signs on the gated areas saying no trespassing. There is no spot anywhere saying no trespassing back behind this building, or else it'd be gated off.
No, because there's access
Yeah.
to other businesses back here.
So what? Then it's not. Then it's public.
For those businesses.
If there's yeah, exactly.
Okay, are you here
For
to-
those businesses, it's public, but for the public, it's not public.
For those businesses, they can access it.
Okay, so if I wanted to go to that business and see what they got to offer, I can't walk back through here?
This isn't their front. Their front's up there.
So either way, I can't walk back through here? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Yeah, that's why there's the no trespass sign.
Alright, what's your name and badge number?
Tripper Pichelle. Badge number you can see. Well, right there.
Oh, yeah, that's what you tell the judge, huh?
Like,
Right?
for
Is that
what?
what you tell the judge? When he asks you for your name and badge number, you point your fucking chest?
I don't tell the judge my badge number. That's not a thing they ask for.
Yeah, I bet it ain't.
Okay. So if you can
So
walk
what's
up
your
there
badge
for me-
number?
We don't have badge numbers. We're giving DPSST numbers to the state
That's
of
why
Oregon.
I see a 905 on your badge.
That's the number on my badge, but it doesn't do anything.
Is that
for
the
me.
same number
It doesn't
everybody else
help
has?
you- It doesn't help you identify me.
Okay,
If you'd
what's
like to
your
identify me,
call number? What's your ID
DPSST
number? Yeah,
53227.
there you go.
Cool. Anything else I can answer for you?
No,
All I want to do is have you go back across the no
I don't
trespass.
have to.
Okay. So I'm going to make a phone call real quick. You can stand right there, okay?
Yeah, go ahead and make a fucking phone call. I don't know why you're trying to fucking give me unlawful orders when there is no sign stating. Now, let's go look at this fucking no trespass. Let's see. Property. Nope, I ain't seeing no trespassing signs. No trespassing, authorized personnel only. Oh, look at that. Look at that. No trespassing. fucking curb. How you doing?
Good. See what you know, the state police. I gotta let you know we're being recorded.
Okay, yeah.
What's going on?
Not a thing.
Okay. You see all the signs that say no trespassing, right?
On the gates, yeah.
Yeah, and there's
in front
signs
of the
back
building.
there. Uh-huh. Okay. They're asking, there's signs, they're telling me that you're trying to get in the building. Have you been trying to get in the building?
Fuck no.
Okay. I just want to make
Why
sure.
the hell would I try to get on the fucking in the building when I'm videotaping this shit?
I don't know. I'm just asking the
I got
question.
2 cameras going.
All right. And I got cameras going too.
Yeah.
So I'm just asking the
Well,
question.
you just had cameras going for the last fucking 10 seconds. I've had cameras going for the last 15,
All right.
20 minutes.
Right. There's cameras all on the
Yeah,
building.
okay, cool.
Okay. All right. I'm just asking the question.
Yeah.
Okay. Because that's what
And
they're
I gave
telling
you
me.
an answer.
Okay. So just make sure you stay off the property, okay?
Okay. Really?
Yeah.
I have to stay off this property here?
Well, they don't want you. There's signs all around that say no trespassing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if I'm here in the parking lot, I can get trespassed and get arrested?
You can stay. Well, it's public property here. Obviously,
Yeah.
this is premise open to the public.
No
but
shit.
if you're trying to get in the building or beyond
Since
the
when did I
sign,
try getting in the fucking building?
or beyond the sign,
Sir?
I'm just telling.
You were the one talking with me. Since when did I try getting in the fucking building?
I'm just telling you.
When? When did you
I didn't
observe
say that.
me trying to get in the building?
I didn't say you did.
Listen to me.
He's telling me that somebody called in saying that I was trying to enter this fucking building, and you're the only person I've talked to.
There's also people inside the building.
Oh, is there?
Yep.
We just
And
want-
they're the ones saying
we just
this?
want- Listen to me. We
So
just
they're the
want-
ones saying it.
listen
What's
to
your
me.
name and badge?
It's right here.
Oh, right here?
You want my car? You're more than welcome to have my car.
So you tell the judge
What judge
when
for
he
what?
asks you the fucking name and badge number, you fucking tell him right fucking here?
There's my car.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm just trying to make sure. I want to make sure you know you're aware, so you don't get in any trouble.
Fully aware.
Okay. That's
Am
all
I
wanna
on
do.
any fucking part of trespassing area?
I just want to make you aware.
Am I?
I'm just making
I'm a
you
fucking grown ass man. I don't need you telling me fucking directives.
aware. Okay. Just letting you know.
Yeah.
it. Just making
Well,
sure.
don't go home and kick your dog. Don't beat your wife.
Okay.
You know, I can give
just
you
wanted to let
directives
know.
too, man.
Okay.
Come on.
I just wanted to let you know
Why?
because I don't want you to get in any trouble.
Oh,
Okay.
bullshit. If that was the case, people wouldn't be fucking lying and say I'm trying to break into their fucking building.
Okay. Well, I'm just letting you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Have
And
a
I'm
good
letting
day.
you know I'm a grown ass man and I know exactly where I need to fucking be.
Okay. Well, have a good day.
Yeah.
All right. Just
I'm
make
having
sure
a fucking goddamn great gas.
Just make sure you're staying.
You guys just say the fuck away from me. No, you're dismissed. I don't need your directives.
Okay. Well-
I don't need you telling me where I can and can't go.
Okay. I'm just letting you know.
Yeah. Well, I'm just letting you know, don't go home and beat your wife. Don't beat your dog.
Okay.
You know,
I appreciate
Same
that.
directives.
I appreciate that. Just
you know,
stay off the
put your
property,
seatbelt on when you go
I-
in the fucking car. Use your
I
blinkers,
appreciate
turn
that.
signals.
I appreciate
You know,
that. Just stay
don't
off the-
ride too close
just
to
stay-
people's ass.
I appreciate that. Just stay off the property where it says no trespassing.
Oh, yeah.
You have a good day.
No worries. YouTube is gonna love you guys. Fucking guaranteed. Gonna get some calls, I guarantee you.
Can police lawfully warn someone to stay off private property based solely on a complaint, even if they did not personally observe a violation? Encounters like this often raise questions under the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unreasonable seizures, while the First Amendment generally protects recording officials performing duties in public places, so long as the recording does not interfere. Property owners may also restrict access to private property, making the specific location and posted restrictions important to understanding the encounter. Subscribe to Mr. Right ID Refusal, where knowing your rights makes all the difference.
So he's not very helpful. He's trying to appear helpful, but he's clearly not. He's evading every question we have.
Supervisor coming for you, so you can save your questions for him.
He's evading every question we have. Can you imagine how just an everyday, ordinary citizen would feel with this gentleman? Pretty intimidating.
Mr. Davis, window 3, please.
Oh, does he have a call for service for this man? Oh, who created the call for service? Who called it in?
One more window.
Because I'd like to FOIA request that call. This is what they do. They deflect and evade and deflect, and this is how they get away from transparency and accountability. They refuse to answer questions, and then they send you around in a rat race. Make you wait. So we do have a food drive here. Right here is a drug box. where they keep all their drugs.
Thank you.
Deposit your unwanted drugs here. Is this where you keep all your narcotics? All your drugs?
The box is clearly marked for what it's intended for, so I'm sure you can figure it
Looks like a drug box.
out. You good to go, sir?
Drug collection box. So what do you do? Do you redistribute those out on the streets, or what do you do with those?
I'm sorry, what was your question?
What do you do with those drugs that you collect? Do you redistribute them out on the street, or do you,
That's a silly question, sir. That they get destroyed.
I mean, are they planter? Do you plan them on?
They get destroyed.
Okay. Where do you guys keep your planter guns at? Your burner guns?
I don't even know what you're saying.
Your burner guns? Where do you keep those
I don't know what
at?
you're talking about. I don't even know what that is. Anything we find on people is entered into evidence if they're arrested of a crime.
Who has the key to the evidence locker?
The evidence and property section.
So how many people have a key to that locker of all that contraband?
Sir, it's not within my purview.
Because we're concerned about these drugs being leaked back out on the streets.
You guys good?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, can we go this way?
You sure? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sorry about
I'll keep
that.
you guys.
Bye-bye.
I'll keep you guys off camera.
Sorry.
No problem. I'm respectful. Okay, so we're going to move on. They're clearly not going to answer my questions. They clearly have something to hide here. Thanks for trying to help me out. I guess I could give you an average job at how you did. I've seen much worse, let's put it that way. I've seen much better as well. Okay, here's not a... So we got this guy. I'm guessing maybe the sergeant or the information officer. Do you have a PIO here?
Yep, his name is Officer Shepard. You can get him online at
that
the
who's gonna
Peoria
come
Police Department website.
Okay.
Information is publicly available. I thought that was supervised for, so.
Oh, okay, thanks. I'm going to be on my way. It's too nice outside, and I would have liked to got more questions. It's a real nice facility you have here. It looks real. Get some good pictures from the outside. So, but you're dismissed. You're dismissed now. You can leave.
This is my facility, sir. You don't dismiss me. So this is where I work.
This is what you do? Just stand around, huh?
Nope. I'm waiting for my supervisor to show up so I can give him a warm handoff and he knows what the situation is.
You know, you already told him all about us on the radio. I recorded your entire conversation, so.
Get the old First Amendment check out. So.
He's fully aware of what's going on.
Yep.
So you lied to me. Why are you lying to the public like that? Why would you lie to a public person like that? That's right here too.
Yeah.
Sergeant Aponte, badge number?
6707.
Thank you, Aponte.
You got it.
Look, see, he's got the thin blue line flag on as well. I just had some questions about how many officers you have on duty at this department. How many police officers work here?
How many are on duty, or how many?
Or how many altogether are employed at this department?
Altogether, we are about 200 sworn.
Wow, that's a big department. What's the size of Peoria? What's the population?
Peoria is, at the last census, I believe, is 175,000 people.
Okay, so that's a pretty good sized population you're covering. Do you guys participate in the DOD 1033 program? You accept military equipment? Use military equipment?
No.
You're not familiar with the DOD 1033?
I am. We used to participate in that, but we haven't participated in that in probably the last 5 to 7 years, honestly.
Okay. I'm just asking questions. Citizens have asked me questions, asked you guys. A lot of citizens are afraid to approach police officers, and so they ask me to come and ask some questions for them. They're concerned about some different departments. I'm not saying this department in particular. I'm just saying different departments. And how many officers do you typically have on duty at a time?
On duty, there's generally between
just patrol officers, or are you talking about officers in total?
Just officers in total on duty.
Well, there can be anywhere from 20 patrol officers up to, with all the specialty units.
Oh, okay, so 20 out, 20 on patrol.
You got motors officers, you have detectives, you have, you know, it could be a bunch of them. North station, south station.
Okay. Oh, you have a north and a south station?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, I'm not familiar with that. Good, good. Good. How come the flags are at half staff today? See, they're at half staff. What's that all about? Not sure.
The last thing I knew was for the president. For the president.
The president? Oh, for George H.W.?
For
Okay.
H.W.
Still up. Okay, okay. So, do you guys consider yourself police officers or peace officers? Because there is a difference.
Well, I think it's a combination of the two, though.
Well, there's a difference between a peace officer and a police officer.
Yeah. No, a police officer will. Yeah, no,
Yes,
you can
yes,
park
ma'am.
there. You can park right through there. Yes,
So,
ma'am. You're good.
Yes, as a police officer, we are, you know, sworn in to be able to uphold laws and all that, and enforce laws. But as a peace officer, you know, we are also entrusted to preserve the peace in the community as well.
very good. Well, there's just a lot of people think there is a distinct difference between a peace officer from the past and a police officer of today. So that was just a question I thought I would ask.
Well, you know, like justice of the peace, they're responsible for a lot of civil things. And so nowadays, the civil service side of things, evictions, notices to vacate, those kinds of things are handled by the justices of the peace.
Over here, isn't there a court over the court's over there?
Yeah, no, we have justices of the peace different, you know, for the county that are elected officials that do that.
Now, I see you guys have a drug box in there. What do you do with all those drugs? Do those go back out on the streets?
No,
or
Those get
planter drugs?
they go into a bin and they get destroyed.
Destroyed, huh? Now, he said there's an evidence locker. Who's in charge of, who's got the key to that evidence locker? All the stuff you confiscate, drugs and guns, and
It'll be the people that are assigned to work in the evidence room.
so how many people have access to that evidence locker? Because people are concerned some of those are being used as burner guns and drugs being planted on people. Where do you keep your burner guns?
Well, we don't.
That's a funny question. We don't have burner guns. We don't have burner guns.
No? Okay, okay. I'm trying to think if I have any more questions for you. I don't think I do. You guys are dismissed.
I appreciate
I
it.
appreciate
You
it.
may leave now. You guys are dismissed.
I appreciate
All right, I
it.
appreciate
You
it.
may leave now.
You have yourself a good day, all right?
Maybe I can get a picture of a patrol unit driving through, and I'm going to be on my way. I'm going to go out and get a few more angles of pictures of the building from out here, and maybe see if I can get a picture of a patrol car. A lot of people like seeing those different patrol cars. They're real nice.
If you want, wherever you wanted to go.
Where you want to set up, we'll do a
drive.
drive-by for you right through the...
Find out for you what the reason was for the flag to make sure that I knew it.
Oh,
The governor had ordered it for a pilot killed. That was from Arizona,
oh, okay.
so
okay.
that's why. So my
From the Air Force Base here? or-
Yeah, I guess so. It must have was from Arizona. So the governor had ordered it.
Okay.
So the last time it was down was for George
That's Ducey.
H.W. Yeah,
Doug
and the governor
Ducey.
ordered it at half-mast for the Arizona pilot.
You didn't have to come all the way
No,
over here.
bro, I want you to know I want you.
What should public officials do when citizens ask difficult questions inside a publicly accessible government building? The First Amendment broadly protects the right to gather information and record matters of public interest in areas where the public may lawfully be present, while government agencies may still enforce reasonable, content-neutral rules for safety and operations. In this encounter, the first officers generally avoided answering operational questions, whereas the responding sergeant chose to engage and provide information. Based solely on this interaction, we would assign the initial officers a C+ for professionalism due to limited engagement, the responding sergeant an A- for maintaining a calm and informative dialogue,
and the citizen a B+ because he remained nonviolent and persistent, though some sarcastic remarks likely reduced the effectiveness of the exchange. Subscribe to Mr. Right ID Refusal, where knowing your rights makes all the difference.